Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video I am going to be unboxing this parcel. So I ordered my Christmas present from Naio Nails and I got a load of gel polishes and a couple of builder gels, and I thought I'd unbox it with you and see what the pretty colours I got and what have you. How is everyone doing? Hope all is well. Hope you're all having a good week. I've had a good week. And yeah, I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to unwrap all of these and stick them on my desk. So it shall change momentarily to everything that is on my desk that I got. Lots and lots of goodies. Look, 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 look. Lovely. It's lovely. So I think I'm showing you this is everything I've got. I've got a couple of top coats. I've got two builder gels. I can't remember the names of them. One is rose quartz and the other was Koucha, I think. And then I've got an Orin and I can't remember the name now. But we'll go through them when I actually do it. And then these are the nudes that I got. But I pick up a few nudes because I don't really have that many. And they are lovely. Absolutely lovely. That one was birthday suit, and then I can't remember what that one was. Soft Cuddles, which I've currently got on my nails now. Not in this video, but as I'm voicing over. And then I've got Cashmere, which I already have. I just wanted a refill because I love that one. And then I got some glitters. One is Prosecco Fizz and the other one was champagne something. And then a shimmer, which I believe that was Double Trouble. And then blueberry fizz. That one's a pretty colour. That reminds me of a nail sugar glitter I have. I can't remember what that one was called. And then we got Tutti Frutti, I think that was. And then some more glitters. Cosmopolitan, I think that one was. And this one is Mojito. Yeah, I believe that was Mojito. And then Woo Woo. I believe that was called Woo Woo. It's quite a pretty colour. In the gel polishes we have, oh no, that's Tutti Frutti. I can't remember what the other one was then. And Mimosa. Nice orange colour. And then what we got? We got strawberry. I can't remember what that was called. Bellini or something like that. Then coffee bean. Not chocolate, coffee bean. And then that one is a luminous. I will show you when I was swatching. That it glows in the dark, and that's Icy Blizzard, and that one was, I can't remember, but I will go through them all when it comes to it. So some of those I got when doing, they do like weekly picks, so they'll have a like half price off certain products every week. Sometimes it's every couple of weeks, once a month. It varies on when they do it and how often it changes. So I'm going to swatch everything. I'll do one coat on camera, second off, and then I'll show you what they look like and what have you. I don't show at the end these ones because I can't remember why, but I will show at the end what they look like. And this one, I believe, is this the pink one? I believe this one is rose quartz, which is a nice one. I've actually got this as my gel extension thingy on my nails at the moment, and it's a very pretty colour. I enjoyed working with these. I really did. Absolutely love them. So yeah, so these are the colours. So that one is rose quartz. It's a nice pink, very soft pink, like a natural base, be a natural now. And I don't know if I'm saying this right, Koucha? I'm not sure. But yeah, that's those two. Very pretty. Two different type of nudes, so that's good. It's nice to have a little range. So we are going to pop on to the next lot, and this one is Coffee Bean. I don't have a brown in my collection, so I thought I'd get one. And they are so lovely to swatch and to apply. It's just amazing. They don't look like it when I'm swatching. It's because something happened to my tips, to my swatches. I base coated them, and for some reason the base coat underneath went a bit all meh. So that is a Coffee Bean. It's very nice brown. Then I can't remember what that colour was. That Tutti Frutti? Maybe. I do show it at the end of every swatch what they are. So, but I do. I think they're great. I love Naio Nails. So the brand is really good. I have quite a few of their acrylics. I just haven't really done much in the way of acrylics. I've been so busy. Oh no, that's Tequila Sunrise, sorry. This one is Mimosa. Another like orangey colour. I believe these were my weekly picks. I believe just about. And then most of the nudes that I got I just purchased because they also have an offer on at the moment where it's you can get 10 polishes for £60. So I did that. So that's Mimosa. Nath Orange. And then that one is, this one is Tutti Frutti. Or Frutti Tutti. Tutti Frutti? I don't know. But yeah, another nice orange colour. I'm not very good with colour palette thingies. I'm terrible. So that is 2 coats of Tutti Frutti. Very nice orangey pink. Strawberry Bellini, I think that is called. I do apologise if I butchered that last bit. But it's a nice pinky colour. But I get a different pink because I only have one pink. I've got to try something a little different. And like I say, they do swatch very lovely and apply nicely. So that is that with 2 coats. And then we got Spring Meadow. So this is a nice pastel. I was going with some pastel colours, so like a pastel minty green. Would you say? Yeah, something like that. Just because I don't have any. Well, very limited pastel. And sometimes it's just a bit too much effort to mix colours. So this is the glow in the dark one called Icy Blizzard. I'll pop a little video thingy of it glowing in the dark in my lamp once it's done. But yeah, once again I was going with the pastel colour. I'm one of those that I don't always read things, so I didn't realise until it got here that it was actually a luminous one. I do that a lot. I don't notice. But it's still a nice pastel blue, so that's good. And then this is, I can't remember now. Something cookie, I think it was. But a nice nude. Basically, I was just going for a load of different nudes because I do love a nude on my nails. Currently, I think I've got soft Cuddles and Prosecco Fizz on my nails. So, Sugar Cookie, I think that was called. Don't quote me. So yeah, this is the one I have on my nails, which is soft Cuddles. Not on my nails that you can see now, but what I'm wearing as I'm currently voicing over this. And yeah, and I have this one and yeah, Prosecco Fizz. If I remember and I can be bothered, I'll upload a little picture of my nails. I forgot what that one was called. I think that one was Birthday Suit? Birthday Summit? Something like that. Yeah, so that's Birthday Suit. That's a nice nude one as well. And then Nearly Naked. That's a nice deep nude. I quite like that one too. I will get around to using them all. I do like a good nude. Colour base for the nails. And I believe that is that with 2 coats on. It's very nice. Very, very nice. And then this one is the Cashmere, which I already have. So I'm not going to swatch it. But I will show you the swatched one I do have of it. So you can get an idea of what it is. But I used this one so much that I ended up getting another one. Just because, yeah. It's one of my favourite nudes. One of. But we're going to go on to the shimmers. And this one was Double Trouble. You can see it shifts. A nice like purple colour to, I'm not sure what kind of colour you would call. I can't remember now. But yes, it's a nice colour. I believe this was one of the weekly picks. And then Woooo. This was also a weekly pick. Like I say, I just pretty much picked up all the weekly picks that were on that week in the gel polishes, just to add to my collection. It's slowly building. Such a gorgeous shimmery, I'm not sure, is it Ready Purple? Ready Purple, Ready Pink, sorry. So this is Mojito. It's a nice colour. Obviously it's like a jelly glitter. It's got bits of glitter in it, it's quite jelly, so it's quite a nice colour. Very pretty. I'm finding it very hard to put things in between to say. So this is Cosmopolitan. He's like a chunky pinky, ready, purpley. See what I mean? I'm terrible. See, it looks pink, it looks slightly red, and it looks like it's a little bit purple. So it's kind of, yeah, it's very nice. So yeah, that's Cosmopolitan. That's a sparkly. You like a good sparkle. And then Blueberry Fizz, sorry. It's a nice, oh, look at all that hollow in there, it's beautiful. It reminds me of one of the nail sugar glitters that I have. I can't remember what it's called. I think it's Black Cherry something or other, I think it is. And it is almost identical. Almost. But yeah, it's just so pretty. And then Champagne, I can't remember what that was called now, but it's a nice gold. It's very beautiful. But this was also a weekly pick. I believe all of the glitters and shimmers were weekly picks. And a couple of colours. So Champagne Bubbles, that's it, Champagne Bubbles. I know it was something. And then Prosecco Fizz. So this is what I've got on my nails now. Currently, as I'm voicing over. It is so beautiful, and the hollow in it. Oh, so gorgeous. So gorgeous. It's just, mwah, love it. I do. I just love it. Love it, love it, love it. And once again, 2 coats. My camera is not doing it justice at all. I'm not doing it justice. And this is Fornox or something, I'm not sure. And this is a top coat, like a glittery top coat. I love these type of ones. I already have one which is called Vega, and it's lovely, it's beautiful. But I thought, oh, I might just get a little bit, get a couple more just to mix it up. Yeah, Fornox or something like that. And then this one's Orin. This one's, oh, I love this one. This has to be one of my other favourites. It's just, look at that purple shimmer. Purple. And then obviously it looks holographic. Like, flaky holographic, and you can't see a lot of the purple when it's on like a light base. But, oh, it's beautiful. Look. Oh. I could eat that, but I won't. It's not good for you. So, this is all of them swooched. I have just put my flash on just in case. Didn't do much, did it? But yeah, like I say, my camera is not doing any of it justice in the slightest. But that is 2 coats on every nail. Those 2 there are builder gels. They're the builder gels. Can't really tell a difference there, can you, in this lighting? And yeah, this is the end of the video. So thank you so much for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe. And until the next time, bye!